Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to change PowerShell or Microsoft PowerShell in context menu or right menu, this option for CMD or command prompt. The first step is right click in the taskbar and select taskbar settings. This option. And select or disable this option. Replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu when I right click the start button or press K+X. Turn off this switch. Close. And right click and select this option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And has been enabled in admin mode. Click here. If you receive an user account control prompt, select yes. And this command prompt run as administrator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.